Hey guys, welcome to Maths tutorial. Today we will learn to simplify x power a minus b times x power b minus c times x power c minus a. If you like the video, please consider subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Please do like, comment and share. So let's start. Now this is our given expression and we can rewrite it as x power a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. Here we have used this rule of indices, that is x power m times x power n times x power b is equal to x power m plus n plus p. Here m denotes a minus b, n denotes b minus c and p denotes c minus a. Now after simplification of the power, we have 0 and we have x power 0 here, and that means 1, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching.